In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background on an image. Now to do this, we're going to use an online tool called Photopea, and this is the website photopea.com. So go ahead and log in using your Google account to get started. Now once we are here, this is the image that I want us to remove the background. Now the first thing we need to do is to upload our image into Photopea, and to do so, go ahead and tap on open from computer, and then go find your image and then click on it and tap on open to select it. Immediately the image will be loaded into Photopea, and from here you can start editing your image. Now in our case, we are interested in removing the background, so we shall go ahead and use the magic wand tool to remove the background. Now to do so, look for this tool called magic wand. Here it is. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see now we have an extra bar on top here, and we have a tool called select subject. And then the tool will process the image. As you can see here, it went ahead and selected the image and left out the other background or the other parts. Now from here, if you feel that maybe this is not okay or there are some parts that are left out, go ahead and tap on a tool called refine edge. Now when you tap on it, we have our original image and the current image, which is this. Identify any part that is left out. Go ahead and use these three options. We have the foreground, unknown, and we have the background. So if you feel there is something in the background that you need to remove that wasn't totally removed, go ahead and tap on it. And when you select it, you'll see we have this circular eraser. You want to go ahead and reduce the size so that you can manage it properly to the size that you feel is manageable. So let's put it to 13. And now if you come here, you can see the wheel is now quite small. If you zoom closer, you can see now you can delete specific parts that you feel needs to be removed from your current image. So if you are okay with the changes and you're fine, and as you can see, the background has been removed, so go ahead and now download it. So to download our image, all you need to do is to go to file here, tap on it, and then look for the function called export as. So go ahead and choose the format you want to save the image in. For instance, we want to save it in a PNG format. I'll go ahead and tap on PNG, and I'll maintain the sizes as it is, and finally click on save. And by doing so, our image has been downloaded, and therefore we have our final image, which is this. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.